Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to restore deleted records in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Restoring deleted records in Salesforce is a straightforward process that can be crucial for a lot of reasons, each contributing to maintaining data integrity. And of course, it is very important within your organizations because records may be accidentally deleted by users during routine data management tasks. So restoring these records ensures that critical information is not permanently lost due to some mistakes, all right? And deleted records often contain important details and historical information that may contribute to a comprehensive view of business operation. Now, once you are here, for example, I'm going to be hovering to the opportunity section. Say I have accidentally deleted this by mistake, all right? Now, for example, you have accidentally deleted this by mistake, but it don't have the option to delete because it's an example, so it's grayed out. But what we can do is create a new one just for this video. Maybe something like this. All right, opportunity. I don't know. Maybe just this one. Okay, so save and new. Okay, once the file has been created here, all right. Now, for example, I want to delete this one. I have now the option to delete it, all right. Okay, so I'm sure, of course, this is for the video only. Now, you see, for you to be able to recover and restore deleted records in Salesforce, you might want to go hover to the app launcher, and I want you to type in recycle bin. All right, click on that. What will happen is you would be forwarded here to the items that you have deleted. This could include customer interactions, sales transactions, service requests, and other critical data essential for ongoing business operations. And of course, restoring these records ensure the continuity in customer service and a lot more. All I'm gonna do is simply click on restore option at the top. All right, just wait for it to load. Then you go back to the section that it was originally placed right here to see if it's already recovered. And again, all I'm gonna do is click this option right here to delete. And that's that. Now, the thing is, if you encounter any problems deleting or restoring records here in Salesforce, you can simply hover to the contact Salesforce customer service. All right, click on this contact support. All they're gonna do is log into your respective account. You can also call these numbers, and one of the support staff from Salesforce will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the problem to restoring deleted records in Salesforce in case you encounter any issues or trouble along the way. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.